Hey traders, welcome back to YodeeFX. We are midweek already and we have a big news coming up. The NFP release by 1:30 PM Nigerian time. So today I'll be sharing my outlook on EURUSD. I'll be using my favorite approach, range expansion. This will actually help us to understand where liquidity sits, how price is moving, and what to expect heading into NFP. So earlier last week, I mentioned that the week actually looked bullish overall, but not without some retracements. I mentioned that we'll have a fake out to the downside before price actually moves to the weekly direction, to the expected weekly direction, to being bullish towards the ending of the week, which we can see over here. Price swept this liquidity and gave us this. Sorry, I'll sweep this liquidity. So we had the first move, second move, before price expanded to the upside. Now, so we can see that that same bullish movement is still in play. Price actually came down here this week. Price actually came down here and gave us a sweep. So we have our first move, we have our second move. Now, if you've been following me, you will know that I approach the markets by actually checking what happens from the weekly open, using the weekly open as our benchmark. Now let's look at that. The weekly open, markets opened over here, markets opened over there. Let me see. Yeah, market opened over there. So on the 1 hour time frame, that's here, which means we still have the same pattern. We still have the same pattern. We have this here. So we expect that price continues expanding above the weekly open. We expect that price continues expanding above the weekly open. So now in range expansion, what we want to do is we want to catch the end of the consolidation. As the price consolidated around here, the end of the consolidation wants to catch the expansion. The end of the consolidation wants to catch the expansion. So same thing for NFP. We've caught this expansion, so NFP is supposed to continue to the buy side. Now NFP can actually come sweep this liquidity. It can come like this, and it can actually continue from where it is to the upside. But one thing is clear, that we are bullish and the bullish momentum is supposed to continue. This strategy works on any pair. Just scroll from your weekly time frame, look at what exactly is happening, go to your daily time frame. What's the buy on the weekly time frame? You need to know the bias of the week. Are we going to be bullish this week? Are we going to be, you mark out your key levels that you expect. Okay, price is going to come here. Move to the daily time frame. Is market going to be bullish today? Because we expect Monday, Tuesday price move. We expect price to move Monday, Tuesday this manner, Monday, Tuesday, or even Monday to Wednesday, and then Tuesday or Wednesday it starts moving in that direction. That's for bullish, and vice versa for bearish. Now with NFP coming up at 1:30 p.m., liquidity will actually spike, and from now I expect probably some consolidation. If price is actually going to take this liquidity, I expect some consolidation around there, then liquidity sweep just before or during NFP. So to wrap it up, we know EURUSD is bullish, and we expect it to continue being bullish. So we need to just watch out for the range expansion. If you have a counter opinion about EURUSD, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you are new here, please do well to subscribe and join the community so that you will not miss any updates. So thank you for watching. God bless you. I have another channel. Where I'll be taking beginners. I'll be uploading videos of beginner to advanced level. I'll be talking about what Forex is, how to trade Forex, how to avoid losses in Forex, how to avoid psychological issues in Forex. I'll be talking about how to grow from zero, how to grow your capital from zero, how to build on nothing to get something. Then I'll be talking about a lot of things. So I'll be dropping that channel link in the description, so you can do well to check, subscribe, turn on notification bell. So peace out. Thank you for watching. God bless you.